What do you picture when you hear the term disease? Perhaps it's a physical ailment or a mental disorder. In actuality, a disease can be defined as any disturbance in the normal functioning of the body. Some diseases affect only a specific organ system, while others affect the entire body. Pathology, a branch of medicine, focuses on the study of diseases, their nature, diagnosis, and cure. According to medical records, there are over 20,000 human diseases, affecting millions of people every year. Now let's dive into the world of communicable diseases, also referred to as infectious or transmissible diseases. These diseases spread from one person to another and can be caused by various agents, including viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and fungi. Viruses are small infectious agents present in food, air, and water. They're smaller than bacteria and can only be seen under an electron microscope. Viruses can easily penetrate our bodies, causing severe infections. Some examples of viral infections include AIDS, polio, measles, and influenza. Next, we have bacteria. There are millions and billions of bacteria surrounding us, both inside and outside our bodies. While some bacteria are beneficial, others cause harm by releasing toxins that can lead to diseases. Some examples of bacterial infections include tuberculosis, whooping cough, typhoid, and cholera. Protozoa are single-celled, microscopic, eukaryotic organisms that can cause diseases like malaria and other immune system disorders. Fungi are saprophytic organisms with chitinous cell walls. Some fungi can cause diseases in humans. Examples of fungal infections include ringworm and athlete's foot. There are also vectors, like mosquitoes, rats, and houseflies, which carry disease-causing microorganisms and spread them from person to person. Controlling and preventing communicable diseases is crucial. Some precautions include drinking only boiled or filtered water, consuming hygienic food, maintaining cleanliness in the surroundings, keeping the body clean, wearing clean and ironed clothes, and avoiding the entry of vectors. To summarize, diseases can be defined as any disturbance in the normal functioning of the body, with over 20,000 known human diseases. Communicable diseases, caused by agents like viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and fungi, can be spread from person to person. Prevention and control are crucial to avoid the spread of these diseases. Remember, staying informed and taking precautions can help keep you and those around you healthy.